These messages has been transmitted as a request of the civil authorities. At 12:30 p.m., a civil daylight time, an SCP has been found roaming around. The SCP is called SCP-096, also known as the Shy Guy. SCP-096 is a humanoid creature that is apparently 7.8 feet tall. Almost about 8 feet tall. The creature is roaming around killing everyone who sees his face. If you see his face, you are dead. We want everyone to all lock doors and close the blinds or curtains. If the creature breaks in and see you, don't turn around. Stay tuned for more information about the SCP.